I'm telling you, man, it is better than Citizen Kane.
Are you... Chainsaw Face, better than...
Seriously, it is the best movie ever made. You have to see it.
Oh, man.
Chainsaw Face!
Oh my god! You've seen it?
Yeah, it's better than Citizen Kane.
I know!
There's some sort of machine on his face.
That is his face! Oh, he hasn't seen it.
Oh. See you guys.
What are you?
2 tickets to Chainsaw Face.
Pardon me?
Can we get 2 tickets to Chainsaw Face, please?
Yeah, I don't think that's a movie.
What are you talking about?
I don't know what to tell you. There's no movie by that name playing here. Or anywhere.
But my friend was Well, I thought... Huh.